Alright guys, welcome back to the fourth video. Remember, if you like what you've seen so far, please show your support by hitting subscribe and leave constructive comments. So on this video, what we're going to do is we're going to add a boolean to our switch, so that way other controls will know the state of our switch. So here we go. We're going to add the Boolean properties. Read only, bindable, property is selected property. Whoops. Read only. Read only. Okay. Bindable property. Create. You guys know the drill. You know how to do this. Is selected. Okay, it's going to be a type of boolean, and the declarant type is going to be my switch. And by default, it's going to be false. And binding mode is going to be property. Alright, now that we've added the read only, let us now add now the property for it. So it's going to be a public boolean. I'm going to call it is selected. And here goes our getter, casting it as a boolean. Get value is selected property. Okay, now moving on to the setter. Set value now is selected and value. And now we're going to create the method for this. Alright, here is our method. So our method, I'm gonna create a control property. Cast it as my switch. Alright, so we're gonna leave this for now. We're gonna leave this here, and we're gonna work on the images, and then we'll go back to our selected property. Okay, so a way to add the on image and the off image. So this is what we're going to work on right now. So private read only, bindable properties. This time we're going to call it on image property. Okay, and it's going to be a bindable property again. Create. On image, type of string. Declaring type is going to be my switch. Default value is going to be string empty. Okay, so now we have our on image. So let us create the property for it. It's going to be a public string on image. Create the getter, casting it as a string. Get value on image property, and setter. Set value property and value. Okay, we got a error here. Let's fix that with a capital C. Okay, so now that we have for the on image, let me do this. Now that we have it for the on image, let us create one for the off image, and we're going to do this quite simply by copying and pasting. And instead of on, we're going to have it for off. Okay, quite simple. Off and off. Okay, so now that we've created this, the properties, the fields, now let's create the property change methods. Easy way of doing that. Let's have Xamarin do it for us. So we're going to, of course, create a control variable, and we're casting it as my switch. Okay, and then we're simply saying if control is not null, then we're going to do control dot image dot source control dot is selected. All right, control on image, or gotta cast it again as image source. Oops. And control dot off image. All right. Now that we're done with this, let us now go back to our is selected property change, because we need to do the same thing once the user taps on it. We need to make sure something happened on our is selected property. We are now going to copy this, copy and paste, copy this whole thing, and right here, selected image property, selected property change. We're going to paste it. Don't do it twice. Okay. This is it for this video, guys. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit subscribe or leave a comment. All constructive comments are welcome. I will see you on the next video.